Hi, welcome back to STYFLY channel. Today's the video is about KL Metropolis, one of the crucial development for Greater Kuala Lumpur. Please subscribe, and don't forget to put your thought on the comments section. Please hit the like button to show appreciation effort for this channel. Thank you. KL Metropolis development, why it is crucial for Kuala Lumpur development. The KL Metropolis development is a significant project for Kuala Lumpur for several reasons. 1. Economic growth. KL Metropolis is designed to be a major hub for international trade and exhibitions, similar to the Tun Razak Exchange for Finance 1. This will attract global businesses and investors, boosting the local economy. 2. Urban development. Spanning 75.5 acres, this mixed-use development will integrate residential, commercial, office, hotel, cultural, and civic buildings. This comprehensive approach will enhance the urban landscape and provide a modern living and working environment. 3. Infrastructure and connectivity. The development includes plans for improved transportation links, such as a direct road connection to major highways and a new MRT3 station. This will ease traffic congestion and improve accessibility. 4. Sustainability. The master plan incorporates sustainable design principles, including climate-sensitive building strategies and green roofs. This focus on sustainability will contribute to a greener, more environmentally friendly city. 5. MICE sector boost. KL Metropolis aims to become the premier destination for meetings, incentives, conferences, and events, MICE, in the region. This will enhance Kuala Lumpur's reputation as a leading business tourism destination. Overall, KL Metropolis is poised to play a crucial role in the future development of Kuala Lumpur, making it a more vibrant, connected, and sustainable city. The development of KL Midtown is estimated to have a gross development value, GDV, of Rm 3.8 billion. The project is a joint venture between Hap Seng Consolidated Berhad and NASA Ttdi Sendirian Berhad. Specifically, KL Midtown Sendirian Berhad, a 70-30 joint venture between Hap Seng and NASA Ttdi, is responsible for the development. KL Midtown contributes to sustainable urban development in several key ways. 1. Green building practices. The development incorporates climate-sensitive building strategies and green roofs, which help reduce energy consumption and promote biodiversity. 2. Public transportation integration. KL Midtown is designed to be well connected with public transportation networks, including the upcoming MRT3 station. 3. Mixed-use development. By integrating residential, commercial, and hospitality spaces, KL Midtown promotes a live work-play environment. 1. This reduces the need for long commutes and supports a more sustainable urban lifestyle. 4. Open spaces and recreation. The development includes multi-level open spaces and parks, providing residents and visitors with green areas for recreation and relaxation. These spaces contribute to the overall well-being of the community and enhance urban biodiversity. 5. High-performance architecture. The buildings in KL Midtown are designed with high-performance architecture principles, ensuring they are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Overall, KL Midtown's sustainable design and strategic planning make it a model for future urban developments, contributing to a greener and more livable Kuala Lumpur. KL Metropolis will feature several iconic buildings that are set to transform Kuala Lumpur's skyline. 1. NASA Signature Tower. This will be the landmark building of KL Metropolis, standing at 100 stories tall and reaching a height of 412.8 meters. It is designed to be a super tall skyscraper, dominating the western side of Kuala Lumpur. 2. Malaysia International Trade and Exhibition Centre, MITEC. As the showpiece of the development, MITEC is already operational and serves as a major venue for international trade and exhibitions. 3. Residential and commercial towers. The master plan includes various residential and commercial towers that will integrate living, working, and leisure spaces. 4. Cultural and civic buildings. These buildings will enhance the cultural landscape of Kuala Lumpur, providing spaces for arts, culture, and community activities. Live life to the fullest at KL Metropolis, KL's most sought-after address for the new generation. A city within a city where trade, commerce, living and transport converge over 75.5 acres of prime land strategically located by the prestigious townships of Damansara Heights, Sri Hartamas, Mont Kiara, and Bangsar. Built around a meetings, incentives, conventions and exhibitions hub, KL Metropolis is poised to boost business tourism and spearhead a fresh effort to turn Malaysia into a preferred international convention destination. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope KL Metropolis can achieve their goals and objective. Made by Malaysian for Malaysia. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Bye. Salamat Hari Kabongs and Dan Hari Kemerdekan.